Hey, compliments of the season and happy new year, guys. Good to have you on board. Last week we talked about market outlook for the week, and amazingly everything played out accordingly. Again, we are coming here again to give you an insight and expo. I look for what you need to expect for this new week, the week of January 5th to January 8th. I believe holiday is gone. It's going to be back to work fully now. I told you how I wrap up the year with a huge loss on the 30th of December with this baby EURUSD getting cutting me out, and I explained to you. If you haven't watched the video, go and watch it. Why you can avoid that and why you can trade better and not make the same mistake I made. And of course, I told you guys I was willing to buy around here, and I went to go and buy bought here just because of the first maybe I wanted to do giveaway or stuff like that, and then I ended up taking a huge loss because I doubled down quite early. So for this week, what we'll be looking at for here are the players I'll be trading for this new week. Don't forget, our winning streak is back. Our winning streak is back. I told you guys, I don't know if I did inform you after the huge loss, I bounced back on the 2nd of January with gold. Gold gave me the setup I needed. That was on January. That was January 2nd. First was holiday. Market was on break on holiday. So the second, I had an opportunity on gold. People tell you I don't trade. I try to trade gold. If I see good opportunity, I trade it. It's just not my thing of a thing like that. Uh, I love I love to see a clear setup. Note the movement of gold is quite different. People don't understand that. So this setup right here, I actually make about 90 something pips or so on gold, and that was how I was able to recover. Gold is very fast. I was able to recover the huge loss, and I make some profit. That was how I was able to go about it on gold. So starting from now, starting with that, we can also start with gold today. So first of all, I'll be looking at my first pair is gold. Let me start from gold. I'm looking at gold on a long. I'm looking at AUD on a long. Can you see this is an head, this is shoulder, this is shoulder, this is shoulder. I want to see these candlestick patterns clearer for me that is ready to move. I told you that candle speaks a language. You must have to interpret those languages and decode them. If you are not in our group, you are wrong by now. So we can send those things to you. If you look at the link around this video and join our community. We have an inner circle community on Telegram where you can always join us and be part of us. Access to signals. We two weekly about we throw out about 15 to 20 signals weekly. So these are the signals, they are free. VIPs is also free. You can have access to them for free. So why not join us and let's do this together? The sky is too big for everybody to milk, everybody to make money. So why are you staying back? Look at the link around this video and join or ask for the link. Any of our support will send it to you. So for me, I'm looking out for a buy. However, what I'm saying is not clear yet. If you see something like that and you say want to buy, you're an amateur. You don't know what is called market. So this is not clear yet for me, though it's looking to be buy on 4 hour. I can see some head and shoulder, but this candle I'm seeing and is not clear yet. The market might still come down to somewhere around here to come and do a double bottom here. So I'm just setting that if possible, give me what I needed. I told you guys that market will not just come to your zone alone, it must come to your zone after coming to your zone and still give you candlestick confirmation. We have about 20 something candlestick confirmation that you have to decode. I told you. So if you need that candlestick confirmation, the template, the PDF, so I can always know they have about 30 to some 30 candlestick confirmation that will give you entering. These are the candlesticks entering. You have to see them first before you enter. So that's what I'll be looking out for on gold before I can say I want to shoot, I want to execute. Right now, the information I'm seeing on 15 minutes and 30 minutes time frame is not clear for me enough to enter. That's why you avoid losses. That's why we have been having winning streaks. We started our winning streak around November, mid-November. It ended 30th of December. We had one too around September, 2 month winning streak, September and October, lost just like that. It ended early November. We pick it up again mid-November. So now again, we have started again in 2026. So these are the things you help you to avoid losses. You guys don't understand. It's not as if this market is complicated or it's too dynamic. No, it's you guys are too in a hurry to make money. You're just in a hurry. You're just too restless to make money. You want to, that is it. I don't know. Your mentor that mentors you did not tell you. You have to be patient, my dear. Am I talking to somebody? You have to calm down. Just be patient. This money will come. Just be patient, my people. Just be patient. Just be calm. Relax yourself. See what you can see clearly. This thing is dangerous and delicate. But the fact that you know that the market is delicate, so that means you have to take much more of your time and see everything confirmation very well, extra and extra. That will give you assurances. That will give you leverage to want to say, I want to go in right now. If not, you shouldn't. You shouldn't. If not, you shouldn't. These are the things you have to see. Am I talking to somebody? Are the things you have to know, you have to see before you can say you want to shoot or execute on that. So that is for that. Before I waste too much on that. And then the next one I'll be doing, I'll be looking at for this new week is that is for that on gold. This new week is this baby here. We'll also be looking at for Euro card. That is, we'll be looking at for a buy on Euro card. You can see I bought it around here, and it's still trying to do all of this that is doing right now. We call it consolidation. Am I talking, guys? We call it what? Consolidation. So I'm expecting it to break, and then we test on this point, then we can buy finally. But however, if it comes back to this year, if I see the level of at which it's doing at this point, if I see some rejections or some convincing candlestick patterns here, I might also add an entry here. I might change this from here and come and enter here. And come and enter here, then I'll be making much more money. However, I'm of the mind, I'm of the opinion for it to break, which is then I can enter at this level. That is for Euro card. Also, I'm looking for this baby that lost, that gave me a huge wrap up of the year. Wrap up of the year. I'm looking at it to still buy. I think I'm not buying. No, I'm not buying at this point. I think it's now a short market, though. The long will be so. The long will be so. I'll be buying something around here. The long will be so short. So it's not a short. It's not a short market. I think I started the short. That was on second, and I will still be looking to short it as well. It's not a short market, guys. It's not a short market. Don't forget. We scabbed it. We scabbed that short. We scabbed that short on the second. Just a scabbed one. So when the market came back here, we were able to discount short, and it's still doing this. So that is it from this. And I'm not necessarily paying attention to this actually. I'm paying attention to this one of my cleanest trade for the week. I'm looking at this baby here. I'm looking at the short. We bought it. We bought it extensively on second, and we make a lot of money. We bought it on income. That is Euro USD card. USD card. And you see, it's already building up for me for the short, but it's not ready. I still want it to. Let me see. I still want it to come to this my cycle level. This is my cycle level. Aha. I want to still come up enough for this my cycle or come around here. Then I can, because I believe there must still be a liquidity gap around this point. Then it will not short. The short will be long. This is gonna be crazy. Whether I stopped here or it took away this, it's gonna be long, man. I'm so fucking interested in this. I love this. This is quite clean, and I love it so much. Another one I'm looking at for is also Euro AUD. Euro AUD. I'm looking at for Euro AUD. I'm looking at for Euro AUD. I'm looking at for Euro AUD. This one, you have to be very careful. If you are not an expert, to be very careful. It shows as if it actually want to buy is at this point, but it might actually sell. But I'll be looking at this when market opens. What's going to happen to me? What's going to happen at this junction here? I'm looking at if you take away this last low here, take away that and candle closes below it, I will not be willing to. That will be a short. But if it doesn't and keep rejecting this level, I might be willing to one on long. But it depends on when opening of the market, how it's printed. I tell you guys, you must understand candlesticks, how the candlesticks printed, the language it is speaking at that moment that will determine and explain, dictate for me if I'm too long or not. That is for that. And which one again? Which one again? And I might consider okay, NZD USD, the last but not the late, the last one. NZD USD, yeah. I'm looking at this baby. I want to buy briefly as well. I want to buy briefly as well. Can you see? I want it to come down a bit to this cycle level, then I can buy. Let me show you what I want to buy. Market came back to come and we test this. The last time we were here, we bought. So I'm expecting it to come down. So it's coming here. I'm expecting to. I don't like what this daily is giving me. I want to see a better pin bar rejection coming down a bit, and then once it's come down a bit, and once if it can come down a bit, come down to this point, then I believe it's gonna be going up. Yeah, that's what I'm willing to work to short. To short, it might stop here, it might stop here. My first one will be around here, take profit here or here, and the last is here. So I'm willing to just be a short a year or here or here. That is either of the two. So that is that on today's and this new week trade. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you are going to make money as well. So please do not joke with one of these signals. Know our setup, they're always accurate. When we tell you, it plays out accordingly. And for you to always monitor some of them, because some of them might not enter them. So I would urge you to join our community. We have a link. You can ask for the link on Telegram. We have a community, large community, thousands of people across the world. They are there. We have people from Asia, we have people from Europe. They are there. So everybody's all making money. The sky is too, it's all big for us to make money. So why not join us and let's do this together, guys? Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye for now and peace out, guys.